Hello, I'm Mike Brewer from Feeling Value, and I'm here to help you find your values and increase your happiness. And today we're going to have a little chat about low self-esteem and low self-confidence, which often comes down to low self-care or lack of self-care. But honestly, how much of that comes from within? Now, I've had psoriasis and it's a bit difficult to cope with, and I looked pretty ugly, but at the end of the day I've managed to conquer it. One of them is to actually think there's nothing wrong with me, it's something I've got, and it's not something somebody put on me, but ultimately my thoughts about it make it worse, because the more stressed I am, the worse it gets. Yeah, it's a bit of a tricky one, that. But similarly with you and your thoughts, remember they are yours alone. You are unique in this world. You're the only person like you, nobody else, and nobody else controls those thoughts. So what comes into your mind, 75% of it are negative thoughts, unfortunately, and 90% are repetitive. So if you're getting a thought that says, oh, I'm ugly, I don't look good today, my hair isn't good, yeah, I'm losing mine, but hey ho, c'est la vie, I'm still Mike underneath, yes? So you're the same, you're still that person underneath, and you're special. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, you really are. And ultimately, looking at this phone, it can get you down, seeing all these other people enjoying themselves, doing their stuff, whatever. But always remember, that's what they show. You don't know what's really going on, do you? Behind the scenes, inside them. Are they happy? Are they enjoying themselves? It's up to us how we look at it. So what I want to say is, when we were younger, did we care? When we were a child? No. When you get a bit older, yes. I remember I got to the age where, the teacher asked me a question in class, I would go bright red. I was a shy little boy. But with time, it gradually got better. I mean, you get involved in things and with people. That's important. Social interaction. You don't act socially with people on the phone, unless maybe it's a video call. But when you're in person, it means there's a lot more. So what I would suggest is that every morning you start with yourself. And thank you, Mel Robbins. Fantastic lady. I recommend you watch her videos. Just Google her. She's got so much stuff. She's inspirational. But she recommends that when you wash your face in front of the mirror, you go high five. Yeah, high five. And it helps recognize yourself. Now, I've taken it a step further. I would say, high five, I'm alive. Which is true, because I've woken up. I'm here for another day. I could have died in my sleep, but I'm here. So the day is mine to do with whatever I like. Okay, there are things that I don't control. But yeah, high five, I'm alive. So I recommend that tomorrow, to help you feel happy and smile and start your day better, do a high five, I'm alive. And you can add anything to it that you want. You might say, high five, I'm going to do this today, or I'm going to do that. And then it helps put it in your mind, and it will happen. So yeah, feel happy and smile. Try it.